Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love. Feliz Cinco de Mayo. In celebration, we have made this beautiful tomatillo chicken, and we hope you will join us in learning how to make it.
Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. I have about a week before Cinco de Mayo, and I wanted to start doing some Mexican recipes. So this is a fantastic recipe using tomatillos, which are these beautiful green vegetables, and jalapenos, chipotle in a can. Give it a great flavor, some fresh cilantro, chicken broth, Yukon gold potatoes, a Spanish onion, garlic, and oregano, salt, olive oil. Let me get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make this. Yes.
This is our tomatillo, and it's also known as the Mexican husk tomato because there is sort of this husk on the outside that you peel off. Now, once you peel it off, it has a bit of grit and stickiness underneath, so you want to rinse it off in warm water. And then we're going to slice it the same size as our potatoes. These are our Yukon gold potatoes, and those two we put in cold water so they don't oxidize. So we just want to make the same sort of slicing here, and then rotate, and you get your cubes. And they're all about the same size as the potatoes. I have this large saucepan over medium-high heat, and to this we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Warm it up, make sure you coat the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to brown our chicken. So we're going to get these pieces in. We'll do a couple at a time. We're going to brown them, and then remove them and put them in a clean bowl. You see some nice golden brown. And here we're going to take this piece out, and then we're going to put in the next batch. I've removed all of our chicken, and you can see there's really some very nice brown bits at the bottom of our pan, and there's still some oil. Now, if for any reason you don't have any oil at the bottom of yours, add another tablespoon of the olive oil. And now we're going to start getting our aromatics. So that's 2 cloves of garlic, crushed and chopped, and our 1 Spanish onion sliced. And we're going to saute that until our onions are nice and golden brown. Got a nice light golden brown edge on our onions. So now we're going to add in our 2 jalapenos, which I finely chopped, and our 1 pound of tomatillos that we chopped in about 1/4-inch cube, and our 1 can of chipotle and adobo sauce that I also chopped up. So we're just going to pour that in. I'll stir that up and saute it for about 30 seconds. That smells wonderful. Now, I drained off the water from our Yukon gold potatoes, so I'm going to add that in. And we're also going to add in our 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, our 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, our 1/2 bunch of cilantro, which I chopped up, and 1 cup of chicken broth. And then again, we'll add 1 more cup of water. 1 cup of water. We'll stir this all together. And now I can return the chicken to the pan, get all of our brown pieces of chicken thighs in there. These have the bone in, but no skin. And then we're gonna bring this to a boil and simmer it for 20 minutes. Here is our amazing tomatillo chicken. It smells so good. I can't wait to taste this. I'm gonna start putting it into a serving bowl so I can take it out. Here is our finished tomatillo chicken for Cinco de Mayo. The Yukon gold potatoes held up. You can see the adobo and the tomatillos are cooked down. And this great sauce. I have some rice that I cooked with some cilantro, finely chopped cilantro in there. And there we go. We're gonna get. And then just garnish it with some chopped cilantro. Make it look, perk it up with that little bit of green. And voila! Look at that beautiful tomatillo chicken. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.